Hello, Nails by Ra here, and I'm here with a tutorial for ANC. We are doing Bubblegum Pink. Oh yes, here for it. So to get started, I'm taking off my old product. Yeah, I'm dancing. This is my jam. I don't know what I was listening to, but I was rocking with it, okay? Get it, get it, get it. Hey. And here I am. I've removed the old product and now I'm just buffing my natural nail, removing any buildup, some dead cuticle, and just roughing up the plate so that the ANC can adhere to my natural nail without an issue. Now that that's over, I am dusting, and I am ready for step one. That's right, you guessed it, step one here. And this is the prep. This is the dehydrator. It takes out any oil, and be sure not to touch your nails after you've done it over all 10 digits, okay? That's very important. Listen up here. Once you've done that, we can start with step two, which is the gel base. We are doing the ANC base. We're not going to put it all the way back. We are going to walk it back towards the cuticle. That lets your nail lay flat as you do your layers. So you have your base, and then you have 2 to 3 of your color, and you're going to see me do that a couple times, but for the sake of time, we sped it up, baby. 3 minutes or less. 3 minutes or less full set. And this color was everything. I said earlier that I wanted a bubblegum pink, like a pink, hold on, can't do it right now. There we go, bubblegum pink, and that's what I got, and I was super happy with this color and the way it turned out. You will see me dancing after I've dipped all 10 fingers, and oh my gosh. Okay, yes, yes. After we've done that, I'm going to continue dipping. That was my broken nail. I had to put a tip on there. Long story short, I cracked my real nail all the way down and had to put a tip on it, but it's growing back out. So maybe by the next tutorial, I will have all of my natural nails, and that is always goals. This color is just so gorgeous. We're going to dust it. Now, step 3 is the activator. What that does, it dries everything we just did. Apply it to all 10. After we've let that sit for 3 minutes, we're going to put the 4 in, which is the finishing gel. Let that sit and let it rain, clear it out, and we are finished. Boom, clack, cow.